Well, good morning everyone, and welcome to Happiness Sparkles. I'm on here today to do an unboxing, unpackaging from Amazon. As you know, I did a declutter of my lipsticks, so I decided that I needed to get some more nude lipsticks. The one I'm wearing today is by Maybelline, and it's called Baddest Beige. And this was recommended to me by Kathy from Kathy Beauty Care Chats. And this is what I'm wearing today. And loving this. It's just so creamy and buttery and just absolutely amazing. So I'm wearing this with this liner, which is a liner from Sally's. I picked it up at Sally's, and it's from Palladio. The color is sand, I believe. Sand. It's nice. It's a little retractable lip liner. Very reasonable. Yeah, very reasonable price. So this and this really makes my lips look fuller and plumper, and this does not emphasize the lines. It makes your lips look really smooth and beautiful. So I decided to go ahead and order a few more things from Amazon, and it just came in this morning and I haven't opened it yet. It's still sealed. It's a huge package, and there I'm not kidding you, there are 3 tiny little things in here, so I hope they're not broken because they're just rattling around in there. So let's get her opened and see what they look like. Lipsticks, and yeah. First of all, oh, I'd forgotten I'd ordered this. I had ordered some refills for my battery-operated Oral-B toothbrush. 2 lipsticks. Look, this huge package. What is that about? 2 lipsticks, both from Revlon. So let's see how we like that. One of them is called Champagne on Ice. Is it ice? Champagne on Ice. And the other one is called Bare Affair. Now, Bare Affair was recommended to me by from Dawn's Life Over 50. So I've taken the wrapping off, and let's check out the Champagne on Ice. I just was intrigued by the name of it, and it's a beautiful nude, and let's see how it looks. Ooh, yes. Let's try it here. Now that looks nice. That looks really, really nice. That's how it looks. And the one that Dawn recommended is called the Bare Affair. And that's how that one looks. And let's compare the 2 together. They look the same. They look the same. They almost look the same. Let's open that one up. Very, very, very close. Okay, and let's compare it to my Maybelline Baddest Beige. Yeah, a little bit different. This one's a little bit more pinky. Yeah. But I'm really, really steering towards the nudes, so I know I'm going to get some use out of these. Look at that. These are beautiful. Beautiful. So one I ordered myself, one was recommended by Dawn, and one was recommended by Kathy, and they are all beautiful, beautiful nude colors that I'm going to enjoy. So that was my little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed that. And I did myself up today. put some makeup on, and I got inspired yesterday by Kathy. She did her video and how she does her eye makeup for hooded eyes, and I tried to copy her as best I can, but my eyes are different, so they're not going to turn out exactly the same way as Kathy's does, but I think they turned out pretty darn good. And I did that little thing that you do, Kathy, where I went straight in with the darker color, and I put a dot here and I put a dot here. And then I blended it, and then I went in with the darker colors, and I used the MILANI Neutrals, so it turned out pretty good. I really like it, and I'm going to link everything that I put on my face today. I'm going to link it down in the description. What foundation I used, what highlighter I used, lipstick. You know which lipstick I used, but I'll list it all down below what I put on, and. Yeah, I'm really pleased with how the look turned out, and thank you, Kathy. Thank you, Dawn. And I'm going to link their channels down below as well, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you have a great day, and don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle.